guys, my name's Anthony from LRA Auto Museum and Sales, and I'm with Dave today, and we'll be checking out our 2013 Boss 302 in School Bus Yellow. Come on, let's go take it for a ride. What's really cool about these cars is they have the traditional 5-liter in it, like most Mustangs, but this car has CNC polished heads. It has supported rods, connectors, and bearings, everything like that. Basically, Ford wanted to make this car a track-ready car, which it is. It has 444 horsepower and 380 foot-pounds of torque. The Boss 302 was essentially made to be a track car, which it is, but it's also street legal. It comes with a black key and a red key for the track. What's nice about this car too, it's School Bus Yellow, and they only made 856 in School Bus Yellow in 2013. And listen to this car go. This thing packs a wallop, I can tell you that for a fact. It's got a 5-way adjustable damping system, so you can adjust the car however you like it for the track. You can make this car basically any type of race car that you want it to. You can set up the suspension in any way. It's got a 25mm rear stabilizing bar as well to keep you going straight when you're on the track. Comes with the standard strut bar that came with all Boss 302s. This car is a treat to drive. This one only has 451 miles on it. So this car is basically brand new. You're buying a brand new Boss 302 from us. It's in immaculate condition. We always do a 120-point check system. So we go over the car, we bring it in our own service center, we go through it, make sure the car is right, everything's correct on the car, and then we put it up for sale. Now we're pulling back into the dealership. LRA Enterprises, Auto Museum and Sales. We have everything that you're looking for, from high-end hustle cars to daily drivers. Perfect place to shop. Anything you could possibly need, give us a call.